impact continues to snowball more than a month after new computer software was launched in 4 central North Carolina counties. CBS 17's Russ Boa continues to dig deeper into this. And Russ, we have 2 big delays now.
Yeah, that's right. By a judge's administrative order, specific types of cases in Harnett County Court now canceled next week and will be rescheduled. And the state's second largest county and home to Charlotte, Mecklenburg County, is now on hold because of what is happening right here. Just more than a week after talking to attorney Trey Fitzhugh, the problems he and his clients are having with the new court computer system continue.
It's almost constant. It becomes a blur, if you want to know the truth, because, yes, getting someone back lawfully driving again, trying to handle matters that would normally go to DMV very, very quickly. Now you almost have to, and I think I used this term with y'all previously, shoehorn or ramrod through the system, and all those impediments weren't there before.
Standing in the lobby of the Wake County Courthouse, lawyer after lawyer approached us with similar complaints about the eCourt software, including John Fanny.
I spent 2 hours yesterday doing something that takes 2 minutes. And why is that important? Well, it's not just important for the time that a lawyer has to invest. I mean, multiply that by several thousand cases a week. This place is eventually going to come to a grinding halt.
Based on their own experiences, it comes as no surprise to them that by a judge's order, some district court cases in Harnett County are delayed next week. Nor is it a surprise that Mecklenburg County's pilot launch is now on hold due to what are being called officially key defects. Those defects are showing up in the first pilot counties of Wake, Johnston, Harnett, and Lee. We spoke to Lindsay Granados, the president of the Wake County Criminal Defense Bar, on her way to a meeting about eCourts. She, too, is experiencing the same issues she told us about weeks ago, including access to her own cases.
Cases that I know exist, that I even know the file number. If I do a name search, nothing pops up still. So there's still a lot of instances like that where we're struggling to be able to get the data that we need.
She agrees with delaying the Mecklenburg rollout.
It's a wise call to be able to stop for a moment, pause, take stock of where we are, and try to figure out ways to move forward and fix the key problems that we've got.
As CBS 17 has reported, the Texas software provider Tyler Technologies has had similar issues in other states. At a cost of $100 million and counting, it's up to Tyler to work out any problems with their product. But many agree the heaviest burden is now on the people who are just trying to keep justice moving forward.
Everybody's trying their hardest. Clerks are trying their hardest, I'm sure. Judges are trying their hardest. But we're all getting the sense we were sold a bill of goods.
And so I mentioned Harnett County and those district court sessions that are next week. If you do want to check and see, just go to our website, CBS17.com, and we've got it listed there as to what categories those fall into. You might also want to check with the clerk's office or your attorney, of course, to see if your court session is still moving forward next week.